to Midnight Chaos. No, I'm just joking. Well, hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I'm Ivana and I'm a makeup artist, and today we're playing with this Midnight Chaos palette from NYX Cosmetics and I am loving it. So I'm already see that I will have to create 2 more looks because today I obviously went with more greenish and blue look. But hey, look at this purple and brown colors. They're so nice. And here are the swatches in case you want to see them. But they did swatched even better on my eyes. So without any further ado, if you want to see how I achieve this look, then please keep on watching. So let's start. I already done my eyebrows off the camera, and if you wanna see, I have a whole tutorial on how I do my eyebrows and I will link it down below. And for the eyelids, I've used as always a cream pigment in Emerge from Ila Mask to just get rid of any discoloration, and then I went with NYX Gotcha Covered concealer in shade Alabaster, and I just wanted to try it out, and it is full coverage for sure. It's really thick concealer. And for the base, I'm gonna be using this Proof It waterproof eyeshadow primer. Okay, let's go, let's play with this palette. So using the blending brush, I'm gonna go in with this light green shade. I'm going in my crease. Ooh, this is pigmented. Then grab your clean blending brush and buff it out. The next color will be this right here. I took another clean brush and will be placing it above this green color and just blend it slightly. You know what? I need more of this purple color. And it looks so great on a gray hair. So guys, what's new with you? Where are you watching from? Let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to know where are you from. So the next shade will be this pearl white holographic color. I don't know if you can see. It is such a pretty color. Hopefully it won't be too white. But I love the way it looks. It's nice. I want to add some more holographic dimension, and I'm using the NYX Dewy Finish Spray. Is this too holographic? Let's move on. The next step will be... Oh, this is such a gorgeous color. I'm gonna use next brush. I know I'm using lots of brushes. This one right here. And I will place this color underneath this last green color that I've used. It's dark, it's pigmented. Now I have to blend it well. I keep talking about blending. I guess it is so much important. And now let me go in with some Gotcha Covered concealer, and I will cut the crease, which will take me quite a amount of time as usual. Concealer is really good for cutting the crease. OMG, this crease, it took me quite amount of time to make this, and it's not perfect yet, but that's okay because I will go in later with the eyeliner, you'll see. And I just had to add some more dark eyeshadow from this palette just because I messed up this side, so had to make it more even, if that makes sense. Okay, let's go. What's next? Okay, Inglot. I'm going in with the Inglot's 77 gel eyeliner, and I have no idea how many times I have mentioned this eyeliner, but it is simply because I liked placing it in the outer corner of my eye. And like I said, you really have to be really fast with this one because once it sets, it's done. It's not even that hard to blend it. And let's move on to this dark green color again. And I've just realized I've put so much eyeshadow and I have no fallout. Even though in a palette you will see the fallout, but somehow it's fine. Blending brush. And for this part right here, I will be using this highlight shade. This color right here, but since it is a little bit too dark for my transition, I will mix it with this shimmery green shade right here. Using the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in shade Milk, I will create this line above my crease with this eyeliner brush. This pencil is really creamy, so I was surprised how pigmented it is even when you're not going like with the pencil. Using the NYX Glitter Brilliance, this shade is 06, and this glitter is so pretty. I don't know if you can tell, but in person it's even better than on camera. For this step I'm using some lash adhesive, and it will put the glitter on its place and it won't move. So you do want to make sure that your glitter is set so that you don't have any fallout. And then using the same brush, see what do we got. Bottom part, and I will be using this Proof It waterproof eyeshadow base again. First thing, I'm gonna mix this two eye pencils from Makeup Factory, and they are all automatic eyeliner, and one is in shade 11 and the other one is in 21, and I will be mixing them because I wanna achieve a color between blue and green. So this is like a royal blue and dark green color, but oh my god, look at this blue. It's really pretty. And it makes my eyelashes blue. well, I love it, but I will not leave it this way. But totally works if you want to leave it like this. Okay, let me just go with other pencils to see what do we get. I thought I was going with the black eyeliner, but then no. A green eyeshadow again. I did smudge this pencil out so it doesn't look too harsh. Now this is too green, in my opinion. I love it, but I need to add some more blue and purple. And a highlight, of course. You know what? I do miss a green color right here. Let's try on this color as well. Then using the blending brush, just going in slightly with the purple color. Time for some liner, and this is the Epic Ink eyeliner from NYX Cosmetics. As I already tried this one, and I really loved it. It's precise. And it's supposed to be waterproof also. So let me put some falsies and finish the rest of my face, because if I do this on camera, I will be here like for another hour in video. So let me just finish all that and I will be back. So this is the final look, and what do I think? I think my eyes look stunning and I love the way they turned out. I mean, look at this holographic glitter. It's so pretty with this combo, with this Midnight Chaos palette. And can we talk about this highlight? Oh my god, I love it so much. And this one is from Love You So Mochi, I think. And I've used mostly this one and mixed it with this middle color. And also, I have to mention, like usually I would say that for the lashes, like individuals are the most comfortable, in a sense that you will not like feel anything heavy on your eyes when you wear them. But this one, they are just like a feathers. Like they're so. You know what? I don't feel I have any eyelashes on, and this one are from Kiss eyelashes. Okay, and I'm just trying to find like the rest of the box so I can see what was the name of this, but I'll just have to link it down below because I can't find my box. So guys, that will be it for today, and I love this look. Okay, anyways, thank you for watching, thank you for being here, and as always, we'll see you next time. Bye! Dimmi cutia. Cutia, pronađi se.